Welcome to Cisco Catalyst Center training series for industrial switching. My name is Krishna Divakar. I'm a technical marketing engineer for industrial switching at Cisco. In this video, we will dive into an essential feature for network redundancy, which is also an IEC standard protocol available in Cisco devices known as MRP. We will also learn how you could maintain the MRP network using Catalyst Center. Before we jump in, let's take a quick look at what MRP protocol is all about. MRP is a ring protocol operating at MAC layer of the OSI model and works with protocols like Profinet, ensuring seamless redundancy and minimal downtime in critical applications. In a ring topology of MRP, nodes communicate in a manager-client relationship where manager plays a major role by sending beacons. The manager acts as the source and also the destination for beacon frames and facilitates monitoring and rapid detection of link failures. The election of the manager is achieved through a voting process and can be overridden by configuration. Also, MRP offers various configuration profiles to meet the performance and redundancy goals. MRP is available across most of the Cisco IE SKUs with exception to these platforms. One of the notable aspects of MRP is that it can be configured via CLI or in Profinet mode. IE switches offer various convergence profiles with MRP. The 200 millisecond profile is typically the default settings across platforms. For demanding applications, the IE3000 platform also supports the 30 millisecond profile for enhancing the responsiveness. Most of the newer platforms and software versions include MRP with their base license. But still, older iOS devices may need the license for functionality. As you know, the MRP ring consists of a MRM, which is the manager, and MRCs, which are the clients. What you see here is a closed ring. A ring is said to be in a closed state when it is functioning normally. In the closed state, the MRM blocks one of its ports, thus avoiding loops. When the link failure occurs, that is, the ring transitions into open state, the MRM unblocks its port and maintains redundancy. Starting from Catalyst Center release 2376, MRP monitoring capabilities are available for both classic and iOS XE platforms. It is important to note MRP can be monitored only outside the SDA fabric. Administrator can view details such as operating modes, ring states, and port status directly from the Catalyst Center. This information and visibility is crucial for network monitoring. Another significant aspect is that the feature also comes with API support, specifically the GET methods. This enables integration with third-party tool or monitoring applications. However, it's essential to note that there is no configuration support available currently. Let's log into the Catalyst Center and watch the feature in action. Starting Catalyst Center release 2376 and above, the MRP monitoring feature is available by default. Let us now go ahead and take a look at the inventory. Currently, these are the devices being managed by the Catalyst Center. Let's click on one of the devices. When the device detail page loads, you could now observe there is a new field called MRP rings. Let's click on it. Currently it says 0. It's because this device is not participating in any of the MRP rings. Let's go ahead and choose a different device. If you now observe, this device is participating in MRP ring and the ring ID is 10. When you click on the ring ID 10, the entire details about the ring 10 is being populated. You could observe there are 4 nodes that is participating in the ring ID, and these are their configuration modes, and these are their currently operating mode, and these are the ports that's been participating and their states. If you go ahead and click on the view details, the MRP ring configuration corresponding to this device is being displayed. So you could see the various details ranging from the ring details, the device details, and the ports participating. Let's quickly check the MRP information for this device from the CLI. Running this command from the CLI would give the profile details, the mode, the priority, the port status, and the ring status, which is exactly what is displayed here. This eliminates the need of logging into CLI to check for the MRP information. You should also be able to view these details from the topology page. Let me go ahead and click one of the device. Once the device detail page launches, you will be able to see the section for the MRP rings. Clicking on that would provide you with the exact information that we saw earlier. This concludes the video. Hope you found the information useful, and thank you for watching.